Hi guys. So today we're going to continue and learn on how to answer questions. So what I want you to do is I want you to read this passage and the questions carefully. All right. And then I want you to try and answer these questions. All right. So pause the video and try and answer these questions. Okay, you ready? All right, so toads are amphibians. We learned about amphibians. Only two species are native to Britain, the common toad, Buffo, and the natterjack toad, Buffo calamita. Okay, natterjack toads like warm sandy soil in open and sunny habitats with shallow pools for breeding. Example of these habitats are heathlands and sand dunes. Common toads like cooler, more shady habitats such as woodlands. Many areas of sand dunes are being developed for campsites. Heathlands can easily change to woodlands as trees grow on it. In the summer, woodland is colder than the heartland due to the shades in the trees creates. This condition suits the common toad, but not the natterjack. So what happens is less and less natterjack. So natterjack is becoming an endangered species. So we talked about that before already. Okay, name one external feature identify animals as amphibians. So external means something you can see. So smooth skin. All right, or naked skin. Okay, amphibians are a class of vertebrates. So we learned about the 5 classes of vertebrates. So you can put here reptiles, you can put here fish, you can put birds, you can put mammals. Okay, any two answers. All right, so you must always read the questions carefully. From the information provided, state 2 reasons why natterjack toads are becoming endangered. So the first one is obviously loss of habitat. All right, the first one is loss of habitat because their areas are being developed. Okay, and now they have competition. Who is competing with them? So the common toad. So the second one is competition from the common toad. Now, what competition? Competition for what? Competition for food, competition for habitat, competition for water. So all of this causes the natterjack to become endangered. Suggest measures that could be taken to protect the natterjack toad from extinction. So you see again, there's 2 marks, so you must write 2 things that are logical. So, okay, many areas of sand dunes are being developed. Okay, so what can we do? Conserve sand dunes. Okay, conserve the habitat. The habitat is sand dunes. Okay, what else can we do to make sure that the natterjack will continue to survive? So another thing we can do is captive breeding. So we talked about captive breeding. Captive breeding means take the animals and put them in a place where they can breed in a safe environment. Okay? All right, now let's continue with this question. All right. Figure 1.1 shows a food web for British toads. Again, please pause this video. Okay, and answer it, then continue. State the trophic level of toads. So do you all remember what is trophic level? Okay, so the trophic level for toads, where are the toads? Here and here. So 1, 2, 3. So you can say 3rd trophic level, or you can say secondary consumer. State which food the 2 species of toads both eat. So let's look back. Adult insects, Okay. All right. Another one. Insect larva. Okay, so you can see it goes both arrows. With reference only to food, suggests why the common toad is more likely to survive when the two species are in competition. Why the common toad is more likely to survive. So you look at this, common toad eats how many things? Common toad eats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different kinds of food. But the natterjack toad eats how many kinds of food? 1, 2 only. All right. So the common toad has more sources of food. Or you can say the common toad eats a larger variety of organisms. Okay. So next week, I'm going to continue to help you to teach you how to answer more questions. All right. See you soon. Bye-bye.